Da ka Jing kia Halor ka MOU ka balasoi dangshen hapdeng ki menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya bat ka Assam ban pinbet ya upod usam kinong snong jong ka than Khappud kila beteng ban persha ban pini ka Jing bam hun da ka badawa ban kmi biang ya ki jaka Khappud ki badan hapdeng ka Jing ya Kajia la penlong ya ka Jing Ialang Paidbah Halor kani kamat da ka Joint Action Committee on Border Dispute ha ka sngi baar ha Girls High School Malangkona ha ka ba layadon lang u MLA ka Chokpot u Lazarus Sangma u MDC u Charap Momen MDC Alphonsus Momen MDC Ronaldo Sangma MDC Sanjay Koch MDC Agassi Marak MDC u President ka AITMC Youth Meghalaya u Ba Calvin Wanyang u Vice President ka AITMC Youth Meghalaya u Ba Fernandez Dakar bat kinong snong jong kani kathan hakani ka Jing Ialang ki Paidbah kila penpau ya ka Jing bom hun Halor ka MOU ka blasoi dangshen hapdeng ki arliang ki menteri rangba bat dawa ban penlong ya ka Jing toket ka batikna Halor kani kamat kila kentu ya ka sarkar jela ban kmi biang ya kini ki jaka bat ban shim katkum ka jingkwa jong kinong snong jong kani kathan
nasungni wata ta ko ne represent ka ai
We belong to the All India National Congress, and we came here to support the people of our land because this land has been given away to Assam. MOA has been signed already between two states, Assam and Meghalaya, and we understand that land belongs to our land, and that land belongs to us, and we came here to support our people. So that people will we want to make the people and the government to understand that land belongs to us.